good, guys? It is Wavy Spice here and welcome to my channel. Before we hop into this video, definitely want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and join the Spice gang to become a Spice girl. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. Here you're gonna find videos on everything from fashion and beauty all the way to lifestyle. So I mean, what are you waiting on, girl? Smash that big red button and join the gang. We would love to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my hair, makeup, and the outfit that I am going to be wearing on Valentine's Day. I decided to go with something that isn't necessarily a look that you have to do if you're in a relationship. So it's not necessarily like a romantic look. If you're going out with your ladies and you want to just do something a little red and on theme, then this is definitely a good look. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get wavy, baby. Deuces. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I use the color Truffle. I was at the edge, I was at the end. Make me feel like nothing's like we're living. Make me feel alive, oh yeah. Tell me on my side, baby, where would I be without your love beside me? Oh, baby, where would I be if I'd be gone? Oh, 'cause it feels like a CPR. 'Cause it feels like a CPR. Baby, love again, like notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it. No one understands me. No. And contour, I'm gonna be using this bronzer that's like my holy grail, CoverGirl Queen collection. If you guys know a different bronzer that's popping, please recommend it down below because I need some more bronzer recommendations. And also, it's my Ray Ray contour. Oh, you've been my heart, oh darling. Everything I've done, you know. I really never had a home. Damn, I really hate feeling alone. Maybe you can make me feel at home, baby. Hate feeling alone, hate feeling alone, baby. Oh, I hate feeling alone, I hate feeling alone, baby. Need you here at home, baby. You're the only. So I honestly don't really know what the hell I want to do to my eyes. I know I want to do something dramatic. So let's just kind of see what we do. I brought out like pink and red glitters, red lips, and pink liner. And my Take Me to Brazil palette. I mean, I guess it's just time to create. I'm gonna go ahead and put my base down, and I'm just gonna use this Maybelline Master Conceal concealer. Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the edge, I was at the end. Make me feel like nothing's like we're living. Make me feel alive, oh yeah. Tell me on my side, baby, where would I be without your love beside me? Oh, baby, where would I be if I'd be gone? Oh, 'cause it feels like a CPR. 'Cause it feels again. Notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it. No one understands me, no. You're the only one who can fight it too, darling. I don't really need to lie to you, babe. Patient lover, oh my babe. How you miss my heart, oh darling. Everything I'm telling you, you know.
I just mixed together a couple of different glitters. I use the NYX 09 glitter, and I just mixed it with a red craft glitter that I have. They look like this. So I'm just gonna apply this glitter, and I'm just gonna use eyelash glue.
I hate feeling alone, I hate feeling alone, baby.
And I'm just kind of like sporadically placing it because I don't want it to be like super opaque.
You're the only one on us. You're the only one.
Alright, so I got my lashes and liner on. This is a little lash hack. If you got old lashes you're using, go over it with black. If it's any like old of your last look left on there. For my highlighter, I think I'm gonna use a highlighter that I haven't used in a while. I'm about to go grab my Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This shade Kitty Cat. Actually, another thing that I want to do is I have a little zit on my face, and I'm gonna just turn it into a mole real quick because that's easier than having a zit. Of course, I'm gonna use my favorite highlighting brush, which is out of the It's My Ray Ray collection. Very phenomenal collection. I'm pretty sure it's on sale at BH Cosmetics still.
Caught me at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at that.
I don't really know. Should I do red lips? I really don't know if I should do red lips or not. And I'm using the Makeup Shayla Season 10 lipstick with ColourPop. And I believe this is my new favorite red, to be honest.
Tell me on my side, baby, where would I be without your love beside me? Oh, baby, where would I be? Probably gone. Oh, 'cause it feels like CPR. 'Cause it feels like CPR. Baby, love again, notice I can stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it. No.
So yeah, guys, I finally found an outfit that I think works. You know, it's like not too Valentine's Day themed. So if you're not going on a date or anything, but you still want to look kind of put together, this look kind of Valentine's Day-ish. That's what I was kind of going for with this look. I added these red earrings to kind of like tie in the red. Wear this really simple black dress. And I am just gonna go ahead and pair this with some nice strappy black heels, and that is gonna be my Valentine's Day look.